Welcome to the final episode of Kitchens with GrowFit. I'm Kaveri Singhji. I'm a culture consultant. You might recognize me from one of the earlier episodes where Mariam Beg, the health coach, came and raided my home and my kitchen and went through all my cupboards and my fridge and found all the things that she thought were unhealthy, which were unhealthy, but I thought they were perfectly fine and in fact even good for me. I went through quite a lot of shock actually, knowing that these things that have been a part of my daily diet are actually not good for me or my family. And it was an emotional exercise, but I did take a lot of the advice, maybe 50-60%, and I have incorporated it into my daily life. And I felt a change for the better. I do feel better. I feel healthier, maybe even prettier, I don't know. But having said that, I'm still upset at the way she raided my home, and I think it is time for revenge. And so I'm right now standing here outside Mariam's house, and my plan is to go in and invade her kitchen and find something that's incriminating, because I do not believe it's all pure. I believe I will find something that will incriminate her. So that's the plan, that's my mission, and you can follow me if you like.
Surprise! Hey, hello! This is unexpected. So, to what do I owe the pleasure of this visit, busy lady?
So firstly, I owe you an apology for reacting so badly when you came and raided my home and kitchen and threw out all my favorite sauces and processed food and all the things you did. I know you meant well and had the right intentions, so I'm sorry, but you also did a good thing. You aroused the right kind of curiosity in me. And I'm curious to see what an actual healthy kitchen looks like, specifically yours.
Nice. Okay,
So-
but all of a sudden?
Yeah, because if
Without
I
a
called
call?
you before, then you would have set it up and thrown out all your sugar and jellies and I don't know what else you keep there.
Right, okay. Weird, but whatever.
So shall I?
Yes, all in the name of awareness. Come on, let's go.
Here goes. Okay. I'm sure I'll find something. What is all this? So much plastic. Ew.
Okay, Kaveri.
Is that not processed?
got one
Is
on
that
that one.
processed food?
No.
Deep fried stuff. What's this?
You don't need to deep fry them.
I knew it. I found it. Baking soda. Baking soda in your
Clean my
kitchen.
drains, Kaveri.
There's always an explanation. There's always an explanation. Sure, I'll find something.
What are you gonna find? What are you gonna find? Oh,
Seeds. Seeds.
All
Where do you
these
plant all these
things.
seeds?
They're not seeds, that's amla.
Okay.
To eat. These are
Seed.
snacks.
Watermelon seeds.
Watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds
What
are
do you do
eaten.
with so many? You have a
We
garden
eat
or
them.
what? Okay, I've heard so much about this soaking cupboard of yours. Where is it?
This is my soaking cupboard. I think everyone should have a soaking cupboard because most of the stuff you get is kind of dried out. So it's good to like activate and get them more nutritious and get them so much better for your body and for your digestion. Like this is a kind of a moong that's like different from the green moong. So I kind of use this sometimes in the middle.
So what do you do? You drink the water or where's the nutrition?
Kaveri, the nutrition's in the activated food. Have I lost you?
It's too impressive. It doesn't serve my purpose. I'm looking for something incriminating against you. I'm not finding it. Okay, in the fridge. So what have we here? Vegetables. Vegetables.
That's a vegetable drawer, ka. Move on. Vegetables.
Face pack. That's my smoothie bowl. The face pack, right?
It's skin food.
Oh, you don't eat this, right?
Of course I do. That's my lunch.
Noodles. Yummy.
That's not noodles. Those are spiralized vegetables.
Not cooked?
Yes, all raw and vegan.
Oh my god, okay.
You love it, ka. Start eating it.
More face pack.
smoothie.
Hey, fizzy drink.
Hey, remember that immunity drink that you were drinking? That was full of sugar. So
This
that's
is
my
that?
version of it. That's healthy. That's actually vitamin water and actually healthy for you. You soak your fruits and vegetables in it.
This is dishwater. How many days has this avocado been floating in here?
This is just for 24 hours and then you strain it out and you drink alkaline water.
God. Okay.
Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Let me see.
I didn't see this. Look at you! Chocolate! So you are human, huh?
Yeah, once in a while. I love my chocolate. You know I love my chocolate.
Yeah. But you did say once in a while, so I can't catch you on that one.
So, what did you find in my kitchen?
I'm inspired, humbled, and impressed.
Yay!
Gotta say, you live by example. You don't just preach. I think I covered all the ground and I didn't find so much. So I think we're good.
Yes! Well, that was a surprise and a shock. But seriously, I hope you guys found some interesting points on how to lead a healthier life and get healthier food. We'll see you next time. Maybe in your kitchen.